Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best teeth whitening kits that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light. When it comes to kits, the Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit offers a lot of bang for the buck. This LED-powered gadget is full of all the bells and whistles you would expect in kits, double and triple the price, including 5 bulbs to speed up the whitening process and a built-in timer with a beeper to keep track of your sessions. The kit also includes 2 syringes filled with enough dental-grade carbamide peroxide, hydrogen peroxide and urea whitening gel for over 20 treatments and a handy carrying case. The brand promises results after just 1 treatment, and many dental experts have confirmed that it is one of the top whitening kits on the market despite costing significantly less than other light-powered kits. An easy-to-use home tooth whitening system that uses an advanced 35% carbamide peroxide whitening solution and LED lights to give you whiter teeth. There are approximately 20 treatments included. Use daily for 30 minutes to remove discoloration and gain optimal brightening results. The Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit, as it's highly effective and also more affordable than other products on the market. This whitening solution comes with trays and a LED light to comfortably whiten both your top and bottom teeth, she says. It also features 35% carbamide peroxide. Most dental offices use a 40% peroxide formula. Number 2 is Multieth Whitening Kit, LED Light. The iSmile Whitening Kit is an excellent option for brightening your teeth. If you're using the iSmile kit, you should apply the prescribed whitening gel to both the upper and lower trays of the device before using it. The tray is universally sized to accommodate any mouth size and does not require shaping. You get a treatment that is both comfortable and effective. The 5 powerful blue light LEDs produce a strong beam into your mouth when you activate the gel via turning on the blue light gadget. The light boosts the whitening impact of the iSmile gel, resulting in a short, effective, and non-toxic treatment. At-home teeth whitening kit, which combines LED whitening light with blue light technology to activate the stain-removing hydrogen peroxide gel that's applied to the teeth via its rechargeable tray. The well-packaged and easy-to-use system delivers a professional-level whitening experience at an affordable price. The serum is enamel-safe for those with sensitive teeth and gums. Number 3, VBody Teeth Whitening Kit 5X LED Light Tooth Whitener. The goal of this teeth whitening kit is to restore your self-esteem and brighten your smile once more. It includes 5 strong LED lights and a teeth whitener gel to break up and dissolve stubborn stains from food, wine, smoking, and the aging process. Since they are pre-mixed, the pre-filled whitening gel syringes can be used in the comfort of your own home, saving you the expense of a trip to the dentist. Thanks to the built-in 10-minute timer, you can relax with a book or complete other tasks without being distracted by the ticking timer. After only 3 brief sessions of 30 minutes, you will notice a significant improvement in the color and brightness of your teeth. Teeth whitening kits with a remineralizing gel are a good option for those with sensitive teeth who don't want to risk damaging their enamel. All-in-one kit is second to none and a perfect gift for the holiday season. One of the brand's most advanced formulas delivers a professional-level whitening experience that's enamel-safe for those with sensitive teeth and gums. No prescription or dental visit required, 9 minutes is all it takes. Number 4, Snow Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light. This is Dr. Marashi's pick for a full-on system. It combines a special wavelength of light delivered via the mouthpiece combined with the whitening gel. The light activates the gel to effectively break down dark colors that are staining your teeth, he explains. It's a fan favorite on Amazon too, repeatedly pulling in positive reviews with customers commenting on how well it works and how it's worth the price. Each kit comes with 3 wands of Snow's whitening gel as well as an extra strength version in addition to the LED mouthpiece. The best part? It's safe for use by those with sensitive teeth, braces, bridges, caps, crowns, and veneers. The well-packaged and easy-to-use system delivers a professional-level whitening experience at an affordable price. The serum is enamel-safe for those with sensitive teeth and gums. One of the brand's most advanced formulas delivers a professional-level whitening experience that's enamel-safe for those with sensitive teeth and gums. No prescription or dental visit required, 9 minutes is all it takes. Number 5, Glow Brilliant Teeth Whitening Device Kit. A little bit on the pricier side, this is pretty much the closest you can get to a pro-style treatment at home. You start by applying the protective lip balm Then brush a thin layer of the whitening gel along the fronts of your teeth. Pop in the mouthpiece and turn it on, either manually or via the app, Fancy. The Glow technology, which stands for guided light optics. It uses a combo of both light and heat to activate the hydrogen peroxide-based gel, so you get whiter teeth fast. Point 1. It shuts off after 8 minutes, though you have to repeat the process twice more after that. Do 3 cycles total for 7 days in a row for impressive results. It combines the easy comfortability of being at home while giving you the clinical level result with its LED light, she explains. While somewhat of a splurge compared to some of the other teeth whitening products on our list, it is the most similar to the professional treatment you would get at your dental office. The kit consists of a high-end gadget utilizing the brand's trademark guided light optics, hence the name Glow, utilizing LED lights and warm heat to brighten teeth, undoing the daily damage wreaked on your pearly whites. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.